Good morning, students. Today we will see continuation of vector algebra, 3 marks important questions. The first question here is find the area of a triangle by using vector method whose vertices are 1 1 1, 1 2 3 and 2 3 1. Let us see the solution. So given A 1 1 1, B 1 2 3 and C 2 3 1 as vertices of a triangle ABC. Now what is the formula to find area of triangle? So area of triangle formula is half into mod of AB cross AC. So let us calculate AB. So AB, how to calculate? It is position vector of B minus position vector of A. So second vector minus first vector. So calculate. So B minus A. So 1 minus 1. So here I can say 0. 2 minus 1. 1. So J will come. Right. 3 minus 1. It is 2 key. Similarly, calculate AC vector. So AC vector is nothing but position vector of C minus position vector of E. So C minus A. 2 minus 1, it is 1. So I will come. 3 minus 1, it is 2J. And 1 minus 1, it is 0. So we found AB vector and AC vector. Now what is the formula to find area of triangle is? Look here. So here we have to find, so here I can say AB vector cross AC vector is equal to, let us take the cross product of this. So this is given by determinant of I, J, K. So AB vector, is nothing but, so coefficient of I is 0, so 0 will come here, here 1 will come, here 2 will come. Similarly, AC vector, so I, so 1 will come, J, 2 is there, K is not there, so here I can say it is 0. Let us expand the determinant, so this I can write as what? So I vector, so 1 into 0, 0, 2 into 2, minus 4, minus J vector, 0 into 0, it is 0, minus 1 into 2, it is 2, plus K vector, so 0 into 2, it is 0, minus 1. So this we can write as minus 4I plus 2J minus K cap. Right. Next we have to find mod of, so here I can say mod of AB vector cross AC vector. So calculate mod of this. So minus 4 square, I am writing directly 16, 2 square, it is 4, minus 1 square, it is 1. So you can see here this value is equal to root 21. Question is find the area of triangle. So here I can say therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half into mod of AB vector cross AC vector. Right? Or this I can say half into, what is magnitude of AB cross AC vector? It is nothing but I can say root 21. So here I can say root 21. So finally we can say answer of this question is what actually? Root 21 divided by 2. So you have to write the units also. It is square units. So this is the required answer. See what we have done is A, B and C given. So find AB vector, find AC vector, take the cross product. So cross product is nothing but determinant of I, J, K. So AB vector is 0, 1, 2. AC vector is 1 to 0. So finally you will get AB cross AC vector as minus 4I plus 2J minus K. Then find the magnitude of this vector, which is coming to be root over 21. So area of triangle ABC formula is half into AB cross AC. There are other formulas also, but I am using this formula to find area of triangle ABC. So finally you will get answer as root 21 by 2 square units. Let us see one more similar question which is based on area of triangle. So the next question is, find the area of the triangle. Find the area of the triangle with vertices A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5, and C 1 5 5. Let us see this question. So we have to find area of triangle. So area of triangle again same. So here I can say given A 1 1 2, B 2 3 5, and C 1 5 5 as vertices of a triangle. Vertices of a triangle ABC. So this is given information. So formula of area of triangle we know. So let us calculate AB vector. So AB vector is nothing but position vector of B minus position vector of E. So B minus A calculate. 2 minus 1, it is 1. So I will come. 3 minus 1, 2J will come. 5 minus 2, it is 3K. Similarly, calculate AC vector. So AC vector is nothing but position vector of C minus position vector of E. So C minus A calculate. So 1 minus 1, 0 will come. 5 minus 1, 4J will come. And 5 minus 2, it is 3K. Right. Next we have to find the cross product. So here I can say AB vector cross AC vector is equal to. So here I can say determinant of I, J, K. What is AB vector? AB vector is nothing but 1, 2, 3. AC vector is nothing but 0. Here 4 and here I can say 3. Now solve this determinant. So we can say this as I vector. Now 2 into 3, it is 6 minus 4 into 3, 12 minus J vector. So 1 into 3, it is 3. 0 into this, I can say 0. Right. Next, plus K vector. So K vector 1 into 4, it is 4 minus 0 into 2 is 0. So finally what we will get is minus 6I here minus 3J plus 4K vector. So this is the value of AB cross AC. Right. Next we have to find magnitude. So find magnitude. So here I can say magnitude of AB cross AC is equal to square root of minus 6 square, it is 36, plus along with sign you have to take the square, minus 3 square, it is 9, and 4 square, it is 16. Now 36 plus 9, 45, 45 plus 16, it is nothing but root over 61. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to, so formula is what? It is half into magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. So put the values. So when you put the value, what you will get? You will get, so this value is root over 61 by 2. Since area is asked, so units are square units. So this is the required answer. So very very important, okay, with respect to board exam. So first we have to find AB vector, then we have to find AC vector, then take the cross product, then take the magnitude of the cross product, then find area of triangle ABC by using the formula half into magnitude of AB vector cross AC vector. So this is the required solution. The next question is, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors A plus B vector and A vector minus B vector, where A vector is equal to I plus J plus K and B vector is equal to I plus 2J plus 3K. So let C vector is equal to, so A plus B vector and A minus B. So let C vector is equal to A plus B vector and D vector is equal to, here I am saying A vector minus B vector. I am assuming A plus B vector as C vector and A minus B as D vector. So calculate A plus B vector, add both. So I plus I, it is 2I, 2J plus J, 3J, 3K plus K, it is nothing but 4K. Calculate A minus B, so subtract. So what you will get? So I will get cancelled. J minus 2J is nothing but minus J. K minus 3K is nothing but minus 2K. Right? Next we have to find cross product. So now C cross D vector is equal to, so calculate what is C vector cross D vector. So here I can say determinant of I, J, K. So C vector, it is nothing but 2, 3, 4, right? D vector 0, minus 1, and here I can say what? Minus 2. So expand this. So when you expand this, what you will get is, here I vector, now 3 into minus 2, it is minus 6, minus of this plus 4 will come, minus J vector. So 2 into this, it is minus 4, 0 into this, I can say minus 0, plus K vector is, tell me, 2 into this, minus 2 will come, here I can say minus 0. So finally what you will get? Minus 2I cap, minus 4, minus 0. So minus and minus is plus 4J cap, and here I can say minus 2K cap. Right? Next we have to find the magnitude of this. So C vector cross D vector, let us calculate the magnitude, or you can say mod. Minus 2 square, it is 4. 4 square, 16. Minus 2 square, it is 4. So 20, 20 plus 4, 24. And 24 we can write as, so 2 2s are 4 into 6. So 2 root 6. Now what is the formula to find unit vector? So here I can say required unit vector, required unit vector R vector is equal to, it is plus minus, formula is C vector cross D vector divided by magnitude of C vector cross D vector. So finally we can see it is plus minus, tell me, C cross D. So it is minus 2I plus 4J minus 2K divided by magnitude of C cross D is nothing but 2 root 6. So this is the required answer. So if you want, you can cancel 2. Okay. So let us cancel 2 and write in proper way. So here I can say required unit vector r vector is equal to plus minus. Now 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Finally what you will get here is minus I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap divided by, you will get root 6. So this is the required solution of this question. So same, let C vector is equal to A plus B vector, D vector is equal to A minus B vector. Take the cross product, C vector cross D vector. Formula is saying what? Plus minus C cross D divided by magnitude of C cross D. So find C cross D. After that find magnitude of C cross D. Okay, put those values in this formula, you will get the required answer. If you want, plus you take inside and minus also you can take inside. I hope it is clear. Let us see one more similar question based on this. Look here. To make this question, okay, solution of this question more clear. So similar question, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a plus b and a minus b, where a vector is equal to, it is 3i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap, and b vector is equal to I plus 2j minus 2k. So similar question, only values are changed. Now look here. So here we can say let C vector is equal to A vector plus B vector and D vector is equal to A vector minus B vector. Right? So tell me what is A plus B vector? Add 3i plus I, it is 4i. Right? 2j plus 2j, it is 4j, and 2k minus 2k, it is 0. A minus B, subtract. So here you will get 2i, 2j will get cancelled, 2k minus of minus. So what you will get? You will get 4k. So next we have to find the cross product. So here I can say now C vector cross D vector is equal to, it is determinant of I, J, K. Right? So tell me what is C vector? 4, 4, 0. Next D vector, it is 2. So J component is 0 and here I can say 4. Now expand this. So when you expand this, what you will get is I cap 4 into 4, 16 minus 0 minus J cap. So 4 into 4, so it is 16 minus again 0 will come, right, plus K cap. So 4 into this is 0 minus 4 to the 8. So finally what you will get is, you will get 16i minus 16j minus 8k cap. So this is the value of C cross D. Next we have to find magnitude. So magnitude of C cross D is equal to 16 square. So 16 square is nothing but it is 256 minus 16 square, it is again 256 minus 8 square, it is 64. Right? So calculate this. 256 plus 256, it is 512, 512 plus 64. So 512 plus 64, I think it is 576, and square root of 576 is 24. So these values put in this formula. So required unit vector R vector is equal to plus minus C cross D divided by magnitude of C cross D. So put the values. So what you will get here is, you will get here plus minus. So here I can say 16i minus 16j minus 8 k cap divided by magnitude of C cross D, it is nothing but 24. Right? So I think some more calculation we can do here, simplification we can do here. So here I can say, therefore required unit vector R vector is equal to plus minus. Now you can see here, I think 8 it will go. So here I can say 2i will come here, minus 2j will come here, and here minus k vector whole divided by, so 8 means here I can say 3. So this is the required solution of the given question. I hope the solution is clear. So assume C vector as a plus b, d vector as a minus b. So you will get the values of C vector and d vector. Next we have to find the cross product of C and d. Then find magnitude of C cross d. And put these values in the formula R vector is equal to plus minus C vector cross d vector divided by magnitude of C vector cross d vector. So finally you will get this as the required solution. Let us see one more question. Show that the points A 2i cap minus j cap plus k cap, B I cap minus 3j cap minus 5k cap, and C 3i cap minus 4j cap minus 4k cap are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So we can use the Pythagoras theorem concept to show that these are the vertices of right angle triangle. So what we can do, let us calculate first AB vector. So AB vector is equal to, so AB vector means what? OB vector minus, here I can say OA vector. So calculate B minus A. So B minus A, if you calculate, so I minus 2, so you will get minus I, minus 3 plus this, so minus 2j will come, minus 5k minus k, you will get minus 6k cap. Next, calculate BC vector. So BC vector is nothing but position vector of C minus position vector of B. So C minus B calculate. So 3 minus I, it is 2I, minus 4 plus 3, so minus j will come, minus 4 plus 5, it is plus k cap will come. So AB we found, BC we found, let us calculate CA vector. So CA means OA vector minus OC vector, second vector minus first vector. So C minus A minus C calculate. So A minus C. So 2 minus 3, it is minus I, minus j plus 4. So it is 3j will come, and k plus 4, it is 5k. Right. Next we have to find the magnitude. So magnitude of AB vector. So calculate. So what you will get? Minus 1 square. So 1 plus 4 plus 36. So you will get root over 41. Next calculate BC vector. So magnitude of BC vector is equal to, so 2 square is 4 plus 1 plus 1. You will get what? Root 6. Similarly, magnitude of CA vector, it is nothing but minus 1 square. So 1 plus 9 plus 25. So 25, so 10, here you will get what? Root over 35. Right? So we found their magnitudes. So if you see carefully, can I say that magnitude of BC square plus magnitude of CA square is equal to magnitude of AB square? Can we see or not? BC square 6, CA square 35. So 6 plus 35 is equal to 41. So since magnitude of BC square plus magnitude of CA square is equal to magnitude of AB square. Therefore, we can say, therefore, given points are vertices of right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So it is sum of squares of two sides is equal to square of third side. So this is nothing but what? Pythagoras theorem. So I hope the solution is clear. So find AB vector, BC vector, CA vector and find their corresponding magnitudes and show that magnitude of BC square plus magnitude of CA square is equal to magnitude of AB square. Right. So this is one method. One more method is there which is more simpler than this. Let us see that method also. See here. So again same, AB vector we know, BC vector we know, CA vector we know, right? So when can we say that right angle means what? Perpendicular. And what is the condition for perpendicular? Dot product of two vector is 0. So what I can do here is calculate BC vector dot CA vector. So I am taking the dot product of these two. Calculate. So 2 into minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus or minus 1 will come. Here 3 will come plus 1 into 5. Yes or no? So calculate. So minus 2 will come, minus 3 will come plus 5. So can I say 0 or not? So dot product of BC vector and CA vector is 0. It implies what? It implies, can I say BC vector is perpendicular to CA vector or not? And C is common here. That means what? Right angle at which point? At C. So since the dot product is 0, we can say that two vectors are perpendicular. Therefore, given points are vertices of right angle triangle. So this way also we can check whether the given points are vertices of right angle triangle or not. So students, in today's class we have seen 3 marks important questions on vector algebra. So by this we have completed all 3 marks question from the chapter vector algebra. So next class we will see some other chapter, okay, having more weightage, okay, with respect to board exam. Class will continue next time.